Hey everyone, welcome to Novice Investing Guide. I am George and my teammate is Matilda. We are diving into the exciting world of investing, demystifying the process for all you beginners out there. Whether you're saving for a rainy day or planning for the future, this video will equip you with the basics to kickstart your investment journey. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future financial tips. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, it's Matilda. Let's start with the fundamentals of investing. Investing is essentially putting your money to work with the goal of earning a profit over time. There are various investment vehicles, and three main categories are stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each of these categories will have a lesson dedicated to it. We will explore other categories as well, once we are no longer beginners. Imagine these as the building blocks of your investment portfolio. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are essentially loans to governments or corporations. And real estate is, well, property. The key is to diversify, spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk.
Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about setting your financial goals. What are you investing for? A new home, retirement, or maybe a dream vacation? Understanding your goals will help you determine your risk tolerance and time horizon. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience is your friend in this journey.
Now let's address the elephant in the room, risk. All investments come with some level of risk, but the key is finding the right balance between risk and return. High-risk investments may offer high returns, but they also come with greater potential for losses. Low-risk investments may provide stability, but with lower returns. It's all about finding your comfort zone in alignment with your goals. Remember, it's okay to start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence and knowledge.
We are now ready to talk about some common investment strategies. Dollar cost averaging, diversification, and staying informed about market trends are crucial elements for success. Consider these your secret weapons in the world of investing. Dollar cost averaging is simply buying investments at regular intervals in order to spread buying across the ups and downs of an asset. Diversification is buying assets in different industries or different assets to avoid being exposed to large swings in specific areas. Market trends are overall factors that can affect the larger market, such as government regulation, lawsuits, and investor sentiment. Now it's time to build your investment portfolio in alignment with your goals. It could be a mix of stocks, bonds, and maybe even real estate. Your portfolio is personal. A general rule is the younger you are, the more risk you can handle since your time horizon is longer. Everyone is different and will need a different mix of assets. Don't forget to review and adjust your portfolio regularly to keep it in line with your objectives.
And there you have it, a high-level overview of investing for beginners. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. So take the time to educate yourself, set realistic goals, and embrace the ups and downs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with any questions. Check out our other videos for more in-depth information about different investments or strategies. Until next time, happy investing!